Hello everyone, welcome back to Droid Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 is having an issue with the Visual C++ runtime error or VCRUNTIME140.dll or MSVCP140.dll error which is happening. So the game will be live within 3 hours, so many users end up having this issue. If that is the case, you're going to face when the game is launched officially. What you need to do is we just need to go onto this particular link which I'll be providing in the video description. So just go to this link. From here you have to scroll down, and over here as you can see there are two available x64 as well as x86. You have to download this one, and also you have to try downloading the x86 as well. So download both, and once it is successfully downloaded you have to go over here and you have to run this and open this .exe and go for agree to this and go for install. So go for yes. So they're going to install it. So if it is already there you'll not be able to install it, but if it's not there you can install it by this. So just wait this to reach this because it is x64 based one. So we need to wait for this one, and after this we need to install x86 as well. So trying both, that is either the x64 or x86, you can try both and most probably they're going to help you guys out, and this is what you have to do. And they're going to ask you for restart, but we're in the middle of shooting so I'm not going to go for restart. Just open this as well, go for install, and they're going to go for yes. So you have to install this as well. So once the installation is done, either if you install x86 or x64, you have to do a restart, and afterwards most probably this will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.